Hello, welcome to the Arcanos Academy training session. Today we will see edit work item. To apply a change on a work item record, you need to perform edit action. There are two methods to do. One is in the view mode, user can click on the edit icon to edit all the record details. Other is in the edit mode where user can edit any particular field or a single field at one time. Let us see it. For full edit or complete edit, on the view page, click on the edit icon on the top corner. All the details will be editable. Update the changes wherever required and click on save. Item record will be updated successfully. For a single field change, click on the edit icon or pencil icon next to that field. Update the details and click on the save link. The field value will be updated successfully. User can edit all the custom fields. User shall not be able to edit the system fields, and if there is no rights for the edit for a particular work item, then user shall not be able to edit the fields. Say last test run result is a system field, so it is not editable. Also, the work items or entities which are marked as a blue icon shall not be editable, such as project or solution level items. User can also edit the work item details on the work item page by clicking on the edit icon. All the editable details will be opened. User need to update it and click on save. The item details will be updated successfully. Thank you.